Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to the Day Trader. We're off and running, we're live once again. Thank you very much for joining us. Let's just have a bit more light there. Just a tiny little bit. There we go. I looked a bit red there for a moment. John Brunette is here. How are you, John? Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome all my friends around the world on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, multiple websites. We're live once again, where we trade live with our own real money, our own real shares. And everything you see here is real. And we've got a wonderful community who come here every morning, every evening for the opening and closing bell. And we trade with our real money and we share our opinions. We are not financial advisors, but we are real money trading our real shares and our real money. So welcome, welcome, welcome. If it's your very first time, click subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. And give us a thumbs up as well. We're a brand new channel. We're now going into our 5th week. We'll be 5 weeks old on Friday. So here we are, brand new channel. So you can help us enormously by clicking the thumbs up and subscribing and ringing the bell of our channel. All right, let's go right now into it. Go right over live to my portfolio. This is my portfolio right now. And as you can see, I'm up today 0.84% on 50,243. Remember, for those regulars on my show, I've taken some money out of my portfolio recently, so it would have been 51,245, approaching an all-time record. But I took money out and put it back for paying the bills. Remember, that's why we invest, to make an income. So this is how we live. All right, so there we go. There's my portfolio. John, how are you? Good to have you here. Let me bring your name up on the screen. Welcome, John Brunette. Our friend John is from Canada, and he's our first guest here on the show right now. Okay, let's go and look. Amazon up 0.88% today. Johnson & Johnson is down slightly at 46.46%, just down slightly. Tesla had a good day, was up quite a bit at one point. One point here, we were up 1.19, and we're down just very slightly now. But that's fine. That's what it's all about. Facebook is down slightly. Apple is down as very slightly. Coke is up 0.13. Coke is up 0.13, and Vanguard is down very, very slightly. Google is up today 0.26. Microsoft down slightly 0.13. Scott's Mitt. Is that Scott's Mitt over there on TikTok? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Tap the screen on TikTok so I know you're here. And if you'd like to come and join me, just click the profile just there, and it'll introduce you to my YouTube channel, and that's where we're trading on the screens. SPCE, Virgin Galactic up 10% today. Look at that. That's the best I have been for a very, very long time. Up 10% today. I'm still down, which is why I can't really sell it. We're waiting to hit 40 before I start selling it, but there we go. That's where my profits have come from. As you can see, I'm up today. Most things are down, but Virgin Galactic has picked up. I know who will be very excited. Bill, our new member to the team. He bought in at Virgin Galactic this morning, when we were up 6.5%, 7%. So he's up 3%. On his very, very first trade, he's made 3% on the first day. That never happens. When you buy in, I always lose. I don't know if you've ever noticed that. Whenever you buy in, stocks always go down. Ford Motor Company is down slightly today. There we go. Rolls-Royce down 2.5% today, but I'm still up 16%. So I'm okay with that. Robinhood is up today slightly. I'm up 17% on Robinhood. Riskified was up today and now dropped back a little bit. We've got 25 minutes before the bell closes. The bell goes. Oh, we got 10 likes already. Wonderful stuff. Give us a thumbs up if you've just arrived. Oh, 11. We're coming in quickly now. Give us a thumbs up here on YouTube. Wonderful stuff. And subscribe and ring the bell. Our mean average is 15. Our record is 20 likes. So it would be wonderful if we can touch that today. All right. Lucid Group is down slightly at 3%. There we go, down a little bit. So I'm down $190 on that one there. Oxygen is up 3% today. I'm still down on that on Oxygen. My timing to enter the market wasn't great, but we're working on it. Harpoon Therapeutics. Hey, Martin, Dras, everyone's here. We got a good afternoon here today. We got all our regulars. Welcome. Dras, good afternoon. Let's put you on the screen. Has everyone smashed the like button? And looks like you have. Good afternoon, guys. Dras said, Mr. WRXP. NRXP got all his shares in one thing. Martin Redding is here as well, a fellow lion. How are you, my friend? Good stuff to have you here. Let's as soon as I see Dras come in, I go NRXP. This guy only owns one stock. All his money is in the oh my god, he's up 5%. Look at that. Every day. Oh. Still no, but is anybody at all taking Dras's tips here? Every day he's telling us about it, and he's got all he must be loving it. He must be absolutely loving it. Advaxis is up today 4%, wonderful stuff. So I'm now up 5% on Advaxis. That's good. Carnival didn't continue to dip. It's up again today. So I've not had that opportunity to really get in right now at the moment. Bitcoin is up on the hour, and it's pretty flat today. Not a great deal of action, to be honest. Not a lot going on. All right, okay. We're starting off the show at 951 subscribers. We've been getting bigger and bigger and bigger every single day. Let me refresh it. I doubt if it's gone up. No, wouldn't have thought so. Normally goes up during the show. There we go. 951. We'll come back to it at the end. All right, we got some news. Zoom. There's some information on Zoom. Now, what do you think of Zoom? Of course, the Zoom, talking about space exploding, Zoom exploded as well. Virgin Galactic, yes, up nearly 10%, which is great. That's why my portfolio is up. Bill bought in this morning, one of our regulars here on the show. He bought in, his very first trade this morning was on Virgin Galactic. He bought in around about 7%. He had $400 to spend, and he spent half of it this morning. Virgin Galactic, he bought in at 7%. His very first trade with us live here on the show. So Bill will be very, very happy today, I would imagine. Patricia and Alicia are here from Italy. There we go. We've got friends now coming across from TikTok. Welcome. Kabale, I think it is, Kabale. Subscribe and ring the bell and give it a great big thumbs up over there from TikTok. If you want to know how to come and join us, click the profile just here on TikTok and it will take you to my YouTube channel where you can see our trading screen. So there you go, Virgin Galactic, great today. Not been able to make any money on it because I'm still 15% down, but it's been a big plus for me today. All right, let's hear this about Zoom.
Sinking today despite beating estimates yesterday, yet Bank of America reiterating its buy rating on the stock. Josh, you sold the stock in June. I'm sure you're glad you did.
Yeah, I think Zoom's a great company, but this was always going to be a story about tougher comps. Like, it's unavoidable. And the best example of that is my kids are both starting school this week. Neither one of them are starting with any, there's no talk of there being Zoom classes of any kind. One's going to high school, one's going middle school, and they're doing 5 days a week of school. Not hybrid, not, if there's an...
This was no surprise, was it? This was no surprise. I mean, Zoom is a great company, the product is great, but, let's be honest, that time has passed. That money that was made in Zoom has now gone. If you bought at the bottom and sold at the top, you'd have made yourself some money, but that time is over. There's nothing wrong with Zoom. That's just COVID happened and the world changed temporarily. A lot of money was made for Zoom, but it's no longer. I never got in Zoom and will never be in it. No, it's pointless now being in it. It would have been a great one to get into. 13 likes now, absolutely fantastic. Ghost Hack over there on TikTok, how are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come and join us here on YouTube. Let's hear more of this Zoom information.
Infection uptick in Nassau County, there might be Zoom for 2 weeks. It's just not going to happen. That's one very small example. Another one is talking to clients where we used to do these Zooms like it was the most important thing. Now they're like, dude, just hit me on my cell phone. I don't have time for the Zoom stuff. And I feel the same way.
Yeah.
So the comps are going to be tough going forward. I think that's the problem with the company. They had great results, but this is out of their control. We're doing more stuff in person now, and that's how it's going to be going forward.
True. Steph.
I couldn't agree more. Martyn just shared his comment on the screen. He said, I never got in Zoom and will never be in it. Yeah, I certainly wouldn't want to invest in Zoom now. I think it's going nowhere. It's obviously it's always going to be there, just like any service. It's going to be there, but its boom day has come and gone. Put like on the video. Thank you ever so much, Alicia. We've got 13 now. Wonderful stuff. Thank you very much indeed.
AT&T added to Citigroup's positive catalyst watch list, whatever that is, but you own it.
I do own it. It's been disappointing. It's down 5% year to date. It's down 1% in the past year, but it trades at 8 times earnings. We know they're cutting the dividend from 7.5 to probably something like 3.5, 4%. That's still very attractive in my book. A nice diversification story. I like their asset sales. I like the fact that they're going to focus on their core operations. I like the fact that they have a lot they can do in terms of cost cutting. They're simplifying themselves. They're shrinking to grow, and I really like those kinds of stories. And I get this yield while I wait.
So there you go. That's the story with Zoom. What do you think? Time has passed, right? Not really. I wouldn't want to be buying shares in Zoom right now because it can only go down. I mean, it might grow again in the future, but right now, only one way, and that's down. So there we go. Thank you ever so much for Patricia. Patricia and Alicia are here from Italy. Martyn is here from the US. John Brunette is here from the US. Drast is here from the US. And welcome, 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 everybody. I've released a new channel today. It's called The Content Creator on my YouTube channel. I now have 3 channels. I have the Martyn Lucas channel, the music, I have the Content Creator and the Day Trader. So we're just starting out on the Content Creator. I'm going to be making videos on how to make a business online. How to create videos, build videos, how to grow online, and share my stories here with what I've done with the Day Trader. So that's my other 3rd channel. If you're interested in that channel, go and check it out and give it a thumbs up if you like. All right, there we go. So start again, Martyn. 50,268, up 0.89. Who's going to win today? I would expect... In fact, I know the answer. NRXP is up 6%, so and it's still going up. I would expect Drast to be in it, winning again today. So I'm going to assume Drast. Tell me, Drast, what you're up today. Well, in fact, we know what you're up today because he only invests in one thing, NRXP. So he is up 6.5%. So I'm assuming at this stage that that Drast is going to win, but we'll keep our eye on it. Advaxis is making some noise. Look at this. This is good. This is the one that could really do very, very well. If you remember, they had to change their setup and could go up to $4 a share. If you believe that, I bought it in a bit of a punt here. Welcome, our friend. Would someone translate that for me? Is that Arabic? What language is that? Welcome. I'd love to know where you're from. If it's your very first time here, subscribe and ring the bell, and of course, give us a great big thumbs up. That helps us. We're at 13 likes now. 20 is the record. All right. Thank you very much indeed. We trade here every morning and every evening on the Day Trader. Carnival is still moving up 1.86. We've got 15 minutes to go before the bell goes and we go into after hours. I was up 1.8 until space dropped back. Yeah, there we go. Virgin's dropping back slightly now. 1.8 is a very good score, but unfortunately Dras with his 6% takes it. Sieur Monsieur, Bonsieur, we got all this foreign language coming in again. This happened the other day, and I had no idea what was being said. So it's happening again. We got 14 likes now. The mean average now is 15. So this is really great. We're doing very, very well today. Nice bit of chat going on. Where's our friend from? I wish I could read that. Our Algeria. Yes, indeed. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Raz Hippie over there on TikTok. Thank you ever so much, Raz Hippie, for being here. Really appreciate it. You're watching us over there on TikTok. If you want to join in the main show, you can simply click here on my profile button just there, and you will find my YouTube link, and you can come and join us here on YouTube. And you'll see the trading screens either side of this phone. In French, it means good night, sir. Well, there we go. You are good for being an announcer. Thank you very much. From Nigeria, our friend from Nigeria. Here's my portfolio. This is what we're doing. I'm up to date, nearly 1%. Amazon is up 1%. Johnson & Johnson down 0.37. Tesla is pretty flat right now. Facebook is down very, very slightly. Apple is down very, very slightly. Coke is up 0.20. That's great. Ghost Hack is with us as well. 14 likes now. Smash the like button. Remember, Mr. Love always appreciates it if you smash the like button. There we go. Just had a couple of friends come over from TikTok. Subscribe and ring the bell for us. Wonderful. Thank you. Oh, we're all talking French now to our Nigerian friend. Does our Nigerian friend speak French then? Why is everybody speaking French? Or is that for the benefit of John Brunette being a Canadian? Oh, I'm so confused. Vanguard is down 0.16. Google up 0.37. Microsoft down very slightly. Virgin Galactic up 10%, near enough 10%. As you can see though, I'm still down 14%, $889, 888, 887, 885. It's going in the right direction until we get into the 30s, because my average cost is 32. I won't make any money, but this will go up when we get a test flight. The French colonies, there we go, Algeria, Morocco, and other African countries. Well, there we go. Wonderful stuff. You're all very, very educated people here in the house. Oh, I like how the live chat is getting very busy now. That's nice. Ford is down very, very slightly. Rolls-Royce down 2% today. Robinhood is up 0.15. Riskified was up a lot today, but dropped back a bit. Lucid Group down. Oxygen up, but just dropping back now. We've got just 12 minutes before the bell goes. NRXP still climbing, and still nobody is in it. Dras is probably thinking, look, guys, I've come on here. I've got all my money on one stock. Every day I'm up. Every day I win, and no one buys in. I can't wait for Bill to join us, because Bill will be here soon, and Bill invested for the very first time today. He followed me and went into Virgin Galactic, and he is up. So he'll be very excited. We're looking forward to hearing from Bill. Carnival up nearly 2% today. Bitcoin, I am in NRXP. It's not N. Oh, you're in NXRP. Is that different? NXRP. Oh, I think you spelt that wrong. And I was just checking. Didn't know if you were making a mistake there. There we go. NRXP. John, I didn't. This is very interesting. Having a conversation there. Love it. Okay, let's have a look. You love Islam. I don't know anything about it, I'm afraid. Our friend there, you love Islam. I don't know anything about Islam, I'm afraid. I can't make any comment. I don't know anything about it. But I love the fact that you do, and I respect that you do that. But I don't know anything about it at all. Right, let's have a look at this. Will the long-term trends for Upstart Holdings continue? Will the long-term trends for Upstart Holdings continue? This will be interesting.
Answering some of your questions. First up, this one goes to Stephanie. It's from Andy.
Who does remember?
Iowa. What are your thoughts, Steph, on
Who remembers, in effect, the movie The Mummy? I do. Oh, was that from Algeria? I've got no idea.
And a plan.
I like it. I'm not buying it for the quarter. It's always volatile around the quarter. But if it were to be weak on the quarter, I would absolutely buy more. It's down 13% year to date. It trades at a 3 multiple point discount to the group. It's a play on enterprise spend recovering, and we've seen that. Workday, Cisco, Microsoft, Network Appliance, all have started to see an improvement in enterprise IT spend. This is exactly on that theme. And oh, by the way, you have a new CFO who I think is going to do a much better job in terms of execution and communication.
All right, next up for Josh, and it's John from Michigan. He asks, do you think the long-term trends for upstart holdings will continue? And by the way, John...
Interesting point. I'm reading all the comments here. The Mummy is a classic. Our friend here from Algeria, what did he say? Ask forgiveness of God Almighty. Well, thank you very much for sharing that. There it is. It's on the screen. We'll share it. And happy to share everyone's positive messages. Me, smiling. It's one of my favorites, The Mummy. She loves The Mummy.
Josh, you actually had the name as one of your second half picks back on late June, June 22nd on the show. Stocks up more than 80% since then. Great stuff. So what do you think now?
Alicia asked the question, do I know The Mummy? Yes, I do. I've seen it lots of times. It's great. Ghost Hack, hello. And Scott's Mitt. Oh, I got a Ghost Hack sent me a mic. Gave me a tip. Wonderful. Thank you ever so much. Ghost Hack, #1, over on TikTok, just gave me a tip. Because you can give me a tip on TikTok if you click on like these little hearts and loves and stuff. It's a little tip. Thank you ever so much indeed. And that supports my channel very much indeed. Thank you very much indeed. And for giving me a tip, I invite you to my Martyn Lucas singing show after the show here today, where I will sing live from my studio. From here, this is my studio, and I'll do a live request for you. If you come onto YouTube now, I'll show you my studio, and I'll do a request for you. Thank you ever so much for the tip. Thank you.
Yes, I was just going to say, like, a lot of the gains that I would have expected in this stock over the next couple of years have just occurred in the last 2 months. And that's because this company is executing. If you remember, they are being like the fintech outsourcer for all these banks that can't build it themselves to originate loans on the internet, and then they're keeping a piece of that loan as part of their upside. It's a sick business. It's up huge. What I would do if
I'm sorry I can't read out the Algerian language. I don't speak that language. What I will do later on, though, I appreciate all your comments. I actually will translate. I will copy and paste your comments into a translator and see what it is you are saying. If somebody else wants to do that right now and help me out, please do. Our friend here from Algeria did a comment there in Algerian or whatever language that is. Copy and paste that into like a Google Translate and see what that person is saying. And you could share it if you wanted to. Okay.
If I own the stock already and you expect more gains, I would probably use either a 10 or a 50-day trailing moving average, and I would...
Okay, someone did. Right, Dras, somebody did. Right, Martin said, I got into NRXP on Dras's tip. It popped. I took profits and now I have shares I did not pay for, which are up 8% so far. I wish I put 100,000 in it, but I'm watching Farmer right now. Say God is greater. I have no idea. I'm happy to read out your comments, I think. There we go. Thank you ever so much indeed. Thank you ever so much for sharing your thoughts with us there this afternoon. NRXP. I can't believe it that Martin Redding did it. Now I'm feeling like left out. I should have done it as well. I was like, what's going on? How come I didn't do it? I'm feeling all left out. Let's get back to this news report.
I would look at that on a weekly closing basis, the 50-day. So if you see a Friday close where this stock closes below its rising 50-day, that might tell you the trade is over, time to exit, that kind of thing. That's how I would handle it from here.
All right, Liz, from James in St. Louis. Haven't recently started a Roth on my 30th birthday. I'd like to add a longer-term ETF, the QQQ, JEPI, or maybe something else.
Hi, James. First of all, I'm jealous that you're only 30, but what that means is that time is on your
Martin says, you are so gracious. What do you mean? What have I done? I'm just sitting here.
side, and I've got a better idea.
Thinkerbell over there on TikTok. How are you? Thank you ever so much indeed. Tap the screen. Let us know you're here. If you want to join us on YouTube, just go to the profile right here and you'll join us on YouTube where you'll see the trading screens. I agree with you, John. No idea what I've done so gracious. Good man, Martin. Enjoy the ride.
Idea for you.
What do you mean, good man? Oh, Martin. Oh, yeah, yes, Martin Redding is in on it. Yeah. Now we all feel left out, right?
I would do an ETF that is the S&P and split it with a small cap ETF because you're going to ride through a lot of market cycles in that time, and there's probably good upside and good diversification in both of those.
Okay, now let me have a look. NRXP. Let's have a look. Okay, what the hell? I'm going to join in this little party. Right, okay. I'll buy 500. I'll buy $500 worth, right? Dollars. Here we go. I'm going to join the party, all right? All right, amount 500. What the hell? I'll do it. Review order. All right, I've joined the party. I'm in our NRXP. I've joined the party. I'm in our NRXP. Okay, let's have a look. Am I gonna lose my money straight away? I've bought in at a 6% increase all day long. That's pretty wild. Yeah, there you go. I have joined in our NRXP. Martin's done it. I've done it now. All right. So, I mean, what do you talk about joining it at the top? Talk about joining it in at the top. I mean, flipping heck. I could have done this 2 days ago. Look, I could have done it 2 days ago. Why did we not do it 2 days ago? This is Drass. Look, we're all following Drass now. Oh, dear me. Look, I'm up $1.30. I'm making money straight away. Oh, dear. What have I done? Okay. All right. I can't believe this. What's the comment saying? I am too late. Am I too late? Drass. Woohoo! I want in on this action. All right, we're all jumping in now. I'm old 8. Why have we waited a week? Drass has been telling us to get into NRXP for a week. We do like 14% and then we all decide to jump in. I mean, seriously, guys, how bad timing are we? I mean, seriously, are we crazy or what? You are beautiful. He was meaning. And let us be funny. Good man, Martin. Enjoy the ride. I think Farmer has some legs. And let us be funny. Our friend from Nigeria. Let us be funny. I agree. Yes, John, you're right. I'm holding 82%. You are beautiful. He was meaning. Oh, I say, I want in on this action, John says. Woohoo. Drass is getting excited because we're all following him. NRXP Pharmaceuticals has announced additional finding from its trial investigating or critically ill COVID-19 patients with acute respiratory failure. NRXP has announced an additional finding from its trial investigating. Okay, why are you guys buying this bunk stock? because everybody else is. Because everybody else is. And, I mean, look, I'm up. I mean, I never go up when I buy a stock. I always go down. I'm up $1.30. Look, I'm up $2.58. I'm up $2.58 straight away. It's ridiculous. Oh my God. So Drass is thinking, what is Drass making of all this? I did it last week, I think. Saw his tip and did some research. What if the finding is that it kills them? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. We've discovered something about NRXP, which we won't tell you what it is right now. We'll tell you what it is next week. All right, the bell's gone. Okay, everybody, that's it. The bell's gone. We are now in after hours. What is NRXP going to do? Dear, oh dear, oh dear. I cannot believe it. We're in it. All right, we got 15 likes. Okay. Say, right, I'm up nearly 1%. I can't believe this. It's just, it's ridiculous. I mean, it's ridiculous. We've let all the profits just come and go, and then we all decide to jump in. All right, well, let's see if it keeps on going. And yeah, that's the most emotionally led investment I think any of us have ever made, right? Because at the end of the day, we didn't do any extra research. We bought in just because DRAS kept going up and up and up, and then we all went, oh, sod it, I'll do it. Oh, dear me. Let's see what happens, right? Okay, we're looking at the after-hour trading right now. So Microsoft down slightly. Virgin Galactic going sideways. Nearly 9% today up there. Ford Motor Company just moving up slightly. Rolls-Royce down. Robinhood pretty flat today. Not much going on there. Riskified flat. Lucid Group down slightly. Martin says, understand it went in, then it popped and got out. Like hitting 10 in blackjack. I have a buy back in at 3. Okay. That's Martin's position. Let me share that on the screen. Understand, I went in, then it popped, and I got out. Like hitting 10 in blackjack, I have a buy back in at $3. Okay. I like how you say mower. Mower, I can't say it like that. Mower? What's mower? Mower? What's mower? I like how you say mower. Have I said mower? I have no idea. Ocugen, NRXP. Oh, it's still going up. I'm up. Oh my God. I'm up $6 now. I've just bought myself. I've got a free pint. Motor. Motor. Oh, motor. Okay. Oh, dear me. Salamander086, welcome on TikTok. Tap the screen, let me know you're here. If you're here and you want to join us on YouTube, just click the profile link just there and you'll find my YouTube link. Do your research on NRXP. I will now because I've got $500 worth of it. Mind you, it's a bit late, isn't it? A bit late saying that. Yeah, research it after you buy it. That's what you want to do. That's the way to do it. Motor. Oh dear me. So anyway, I'm in it now, and I'm up $6, so it's pretty good, right? I can't believe it. That's the funniest thing. I'm gonna have to research it now. Of course I am. Let's expand the chart now. Now we're in it. We want to know more about it, right? Bit of buying coming in here. Look, bit of volume coming in here. End of the day. Bit of volume coming in here. End of the day. Look, good candles. This is the funniest thing. If you look at it, look. DRAS has been telling us, see, up 10% this week. We could have been up 10%. My $500 could have been up $50 rather than 5. Anyway, whatever. LOL, having fun with Martin. Like the likes last week. Like the likes. Yeah, look, we got 15 likes now. Has everybody smashed the like button? Indeed, everyone's got to smash the like button. Like the likes last week. Oh, it's been a good week. We've got lots going on. I've had a very busy day. I've fixed a few things in the studio. Things broke yesterday. I had cables breaking and all sorts. But as you can see from the back of the studio, look, everything's working again now. So there we go. Looking good, looking good, looking good, everybody. Let's cover some more news today. Let's cover some more news. All right, final trades.
All right, time now for your final trades. Pete, kick it off.
All right, I'm going to give you Capital One, Brian, and the reason I am is when you look at what this company did last quarter and how they crushed their earnings and now they got a downgrade, they got pushed down significantly yesterday, a little bit today early.
Yeah.
I think this is a name that's the opportunity now to buy.
Liz.
As a surprise to absolutely no one, small caps, and more specifically small cap growth. They're trying to make a comeback, and I like growth, particularly for the healthcare exposure.
Here are top tips on your final trades. My friends over on TikTok, you can't see what I'm seeing, what YouTube is seeing. So if you want to join us, click on the profile and hop over to YouTube. Let's carry on with the breaking news.
Josh.
I think the PayPal sub $300 per share train is leaving the station. I own some, wish I owned more. If I didn't own it, I would be a buyer today.
Steph.
Martin just said, if NRXP tanks, I have lost nothing, which is the only reason I am still in it, which is fair enough. So you'd be out, would you? NRXP, I'm up 5, but I'm up 1%. Absolutely lovely. What's absolutely lovely? Oh, flipping heck. Why? Does everybody think... Right. Come on, everybody, share your opinions. Is this going to keep going up, or should I get out? I've made $5. Mind you, I can't get out now. It's after hours. I can't get out until the morning anyway. You know, there's nothing I can do about that. But should I be out? Should I get out now, or should I stay in? I know nothing about it. I've just bought NRX Pharmaceuticals, and I know absolutely nothing about it. I've got to be honest. Know nothing about it whatsoever. Anyway, I'm in it for now. We'll see what happens, shall we? All right. Let's carry on with this news. Final trades.
Gap stores, I like the restructuring story. Just beginning.
Thank you. All right, thank you, everybody.
Yes, you're right. I can trade extended. You're absolutely right. If I name my price, if I just go buy or sell it, a share, I'll have to put a number. Yes, that's right. I can trade. You're absolutely right. I can trade for another 2 hours. You're absolutely right. I have to put a number. It's not like the main hours where I can just buy and sell. I have to put a number like how much I want to sell it for. But then, yeah, I can. Bill's here. Bill, you've had a great day. Bill, everybody has just come into the house. Bill got into the stock market with us live for the very first time today. And, oh yeah, that's normal, Martin. Same here. Yes, indeed. I have to just put it in, money, amounts. I'm all excited. I'm all excited for Bill. He came in today with his 400 Canadian dollars, and he bought Virgin Galactic at 7%. It's now 9. So, Bill, you have done something I very rarely do until just a moment ago with NRXP. You made a profit straight away. You could do a limit order after hours to 6 p.m. in Robinhood. That's right. That's absolutely right. You're absolutely right. Bill has sent me an email. Yeah, I can guess what this email is going to be. It's going to be, I've made some money. That's what it's going to be. Let's have a look. Screenshot. Trade. Trade to crypto transfers are here. Let's have a look. Up. He's up. There you go. I told you, Bill is up $15 today, $16 today, and that's 4%. Bill has done something today that no one ever does. Buy shares straight in, first time, makes money, boom. So there you go. Congratulations, Bill. Everyone congratulate Bill, because it's not always going to be like that. But we're really happy for him right now, though. Really, really happy for him. Let's give him a bit. Let's give him the air horn. This is his very first trade live here on the show, and he's made some money. I'm really chuffed. Bill has earned $15 today. There it is. Absolutely fantastic. And there's his trade right there. Virgin Galactic. All right. NRXP. What's going on? Just a little drop back now. I'm still up though. $3. Yay, Bill. Try not to lose it now. Yeah. It's going to go down. Subscribe and click the bell. There we go. You tell him. You tell everybody. Subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. Fantastic. May I introduce you, please, to a lump of cheddar cheese? Yes, that's a very British saying. May I introduce you, please, to my new channels today. I released a brand new channel. It's called The Content Creator. It's right here on the Day Trader. You scroll down, there's Martyn Lucas, there's The Content Creator. I've only got one video there right now, just introducing the channel. But go and subscribe to it, everybody. It's called The Content Creator, and it's all about how to build an online business with YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. How I make my videos, what equipment I use, and all the rest of it. So there you go. That's live on my a brand new channel I released today. Fantastic. Alrighty. I'm going to actually post a couple of links here into the live chat while we're trading here now. Here it is. Here's the Content Creator channel. There you go. You should all be a subscriber to my other channel now. Which watch? What's all that about? There's the link. There's my other channel. How to repair frayed cables. Yep. I'll be making videos on how to compare. That's basically, that channel will be how to build an online YouTube channel, how to fix the equipment, what cameras I use, the studio equipment I use, all of that stuff. So there you go. Let's see if anybody during the show subscribes to it. I've got 30 subscribers. Let's see if anyone subscribes to it during the show. I'll be very thankful if someone does. Reducing glare on skulls. Reducing glare on skull. There's no... Oh, yeah. There's a little bit of a shine there tonight. There's a little bit of a shine there. I've got a filter, but unfortunately, you know, when you get hot, it happens, right? Reducing glare on skulls. Oh, fantastic. I love that. All right, let's get back to my portfolio. Let's get some more news here as well. Final trades, a little bit more here for you.
Watch it.
Oh, that was the end. That was the end of the final trades. Okay, what's the unusual activity on today's trading floor? Let's have a look.
All right, time now for unusual activity. Pete, FXI and Merck. What are you seeing?
I'm going to start off with Merck for you, Brian. Now, this is a stock that's been sort of trapped like Merck oftentimes does, somewhere between 74 and 77. Here it is, just below 77. We've got a monstrous trade here, and it's unusual because they're going all the way out to December. Everything else has been very short term. They've gone to December. They're buying the 82.5 calls, 23,000 of those calls. And oh, by the way, all in one print for $1. So that one definitely stuck out for me. Somebody looking for this name to maybe break out to the upside, but buying enough time to see that actually happen. Next is the FXI. Now, the FXI, going back about 10, 11 days ago, we finally started to see a turn in buying in some of the Chinese names, but all specifically...
Cluster's arrived. 17 likes. The record is 20. We do nearly 15, 16 every day now. So it's really good. Going up, 20 is the record. 16, no, we're on 17 now. 20 is the record. And here is information from Martyn. I missed regional health properties. And bearing in mind, there's about 3 or 4 people who aren't in the show today. So we could be over like 21, 22 if they all came into the show. Kenneth Brunk isn't here. And what's his name? There's several people that have been here before that aren't in the show today. Can't remember the name now off the top of my head. Anyway, Martyn said, I missed regional health properties, NYSE, American, RHE, because I went with NRXP. RHE is a play on retirement homes, real estate. I'm also watching LADR, 250 shares in LADR 2 weeks ago. There we go. So there's a top tip from you. That's what Martin Redding is trading. Bill, I took these pictures at the concert in Toronto. At what concert? Let's have a look, Bill. You said you sent me an email about a concert. What was that? I see. You've shared a link on the channel. Okay, gotcha. All right. If anybody wants to click on Bill's links, you can. Hello, Patricia and Alicia, says Clust. Patricia, hi, Clust. Everybody's in. Good stuff. Good stuff. So if you want to click on Bill's link, he's put a link into his YouTube channel, some videos you might be interested in. All right.
In the FXI, we started to see them buying the 39 strike calls out in September. Now they're buying again, but they're going all the way out to December again. That's
The Who, fantastic. Hang on a minute. We'll have a quick look at that then, if it's The Who. Hang on. Open up in a new tab. Let me have a quick look. What is it? Oh, yeah. And I can't play that during my show because I'll be done for copyrighted. I can't play that during this show. I'll have a copyright strike on the video, so I'm going to skip that. But all of you can go and check it out. It's The Who. Started to play then, and I had to stop it. Here we go.
It's unusual, and they're buying the 41 calls. They bought 11,000 of those calls, Brian. So very aggressive buying in that name once again, and looking for more upside out of these Chinese stocks.
There we go. More unusual activity. Clus, thank you very much indeed. We are growing very quickly because of you guys. Here is our subscribers now. We have 951. 951. See, 951. We've been growing. We're nearly at 1,000 now. It's been absolutely wonderful. Martin, yep, The Who classic. Tommy, yes, indeed. I love The Who. I just can't play it on this channel. I don't want to get a copyright strike for that. But there we go. Yes, Clust. True. It is great. We're growing very quickly. Thanks to all of you sharing and posting and commenting and stuff like that. It's brilliant. It's brilliant. All right. If you've just joined us, I've just released a brand new channel today. It's called The Content Creator, learning all about YouTube and studios and what I use in my studio and all that stuff. If you're interested, go and check out that channel. It's right under the Day Trader here where you are right now. Jason Moe over there on TikTok. How are you? Tap the screen, say hello. Hey, Anthomio is here. Anthomio is here. Anthomio123, how's it going? Very well indeed. Anthomio, we are 3 away from an all-time record on my YouTube channel. If you could just click the profile right here, hop across, the link is right here on TikTok. You'll be in my YouTube channel in like 2 seconds. And if you click the like button, that'll get us 18. 20 is the record. And if you do that for me, I will sing you a live request song in my YouTube Martyn Lucas show in just half an hour from now on my music channel. All right? All right, 50,000. I'm up today, 1%. I'm not going to ask. We all know who the winner is today. Of course, it's Mr. NRXP Dras. He's up 6.8% today. We all know that. Didn't you say you needed 1,000 subscribers? Yes. That's right. I need 1,000 subscribers to be monetized, but there are 2 parts to being monetized on a YouTube channel. There is the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. We are currently just over 30% of the watch hours. Hey, Crypto Gulick is here. One of our friends who's got a YouTube channel. Crypto Gulick, I've been trying to comment on your videos, but you haven't got any videos yet. You've got a channel, but no videos yet, and I wanted to promote your channels for you. So put some videos out, and I will share them. 18 likes. There he is, Crypto Gulick. Do you remember we had him on the show the other day? We had him on the show. Click subscribe and ring the bell. And Mr. Love would really appreciate it. Hey, Chris, I'm so chuffed that... 19! Oh, this is great. This is great. Good evening, Crypto Gullet. All the way from... where was it? somewhere in the east. Where was it? Morocco? No, it was Qatar, or maybe in Qatar. I can't think. It was over that side of the world. Arabia, Qatar. Let's make it 20. Yeah, we're 19. We're right. 20's the record. 20's the record. All right. Dubai. I knew it was over that part of the world somewhere. All right, lovely stuff. Yeah, Crypto Gullet, I'd love to promote your channel. If you drop your links to your channel here, but you need to post some videos. I don't think you have yet. I went to have a look and like them and comment, but I didn't see any there. All right, so there we go. Let's have a bit more news. Our friends Bill has just given me a cup of tea on TikTok. Yes, he has. Let me have a look. 21st like, and Martin will peel a tomato. For those of you who don't know, right, the other day someone on TikTok said to me, how come you've only got a few subscribers and there's another guy who's peeling a flipping tomato who's got 400? So ever since then, Dras likes to have a bit of fun with this flipping tomato nonsense. Bill's tapping the screen over there on TikTok to help me grow over there. You guys are the best. All right. Let's have a look here. Best August sectors. Now, this is what will drive the future of our portfolio. Let's have a listen in.
Don't worry, right? Because that means we're complacent. And so we still have uncertainties with Delta, with Ida, with peak growth. I think I've been saying consistently, we're at peak growth. We're at peak earnings growth. But we are not going to be, we're going to be above trend. We're going to continue to grow. And I think that is supportive of solid earnings, double-digit earnings, and very solid GDP growth. Maybe it's not going to be 8, 9, 10% like we're seeing right now. Maybe it falls to about 4% or so next year. But that's still very supportive, again, of earnings.
By
and
the
of
way,
stocks.
who is watching VIXY?
Look, September is always a season.
Let's have a look. I'll have a look at it for you. VIXY. Oh, hang on. Not in there, you don't. I'm in the wrong window. We'll try that again. VIXY. ProShares, VIX, Shant. This is the one that is got a lot of volatility. Whoa! 22 likes. We've got a new record. We've got a new record, everybody. 22 likes. A brand new record. 17 people watching it. Oh, you sold out today. You sold out today. Did you make any money today? There we go. No, I'm not in that one. But congratulations to you. I'm now up 1%. Look at that, everybody. We're 22 likes now. Get in. Round of applause to all of us. John, I'm still considering a stop loss. Dras, tomatoes. All right, we need to do something with the tomato. Have we got any tomatoes in the fridge? Hang on. Let's see if we've got a tomato in the fridge. We have no tomatoes. No, we've got no tomatoes. So nobody even talk about tomatoes to me. We've got no tomatoes. I just had a look. So there's no tomatoes. 23. What is going on? Absolutely phenomenal. 17 now. This is the best I've ever had on the channel. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely. Look at all the tomatoes. Oh God. We got to do something, and we got to do something. I can't think what to do. Shall I grab a beer? 24 likes. What's going on? What's happening? I'm going to grab a beer. What's your opinion on the trading stop loss in Robinhood? Bill, yes, we have no bananas. God, and the chat blows up. Everything blows up. The whole flipping channel has gone absolutely nuts. I've never the tomato trader. I might grab a beer in a minute. Oh my God, 24 likes. This is ridiculous. How can we have so many? Hey, Sam Hughes is here. Sam Hughes is here. We're having a record day today. My My channel was blown up. We have 26 likes. I mean, seriously? What the heck? How can we have 26 likes? Why? What's going on? Clust. Right, I'm going to get a beer because I've no idea how it's happening, but my channel is exploding live on air. I mean, that's ridiculous. I guess I have 5 likes. Crypto Gullet. Crypto Gullet is a legend. He's given us 5. It's incredible. Crypto Gullet has a channel, and Crypto Gullet, you need to drop your links into our chat so we can check you out because you're giving us so much support. We'll have you on the show again. I feel the love. Feel the love with tomatoes. We all feel the love with tomatoes. Right, everybody go and grab a drink. Let's have a beer, right? I'm going to get ready for my Martyn Lucas show coming up shortly. And we'll go through. Let's have a look. Bitcoin is up today. Let's have a look. It's up today, 1.19. Carnival trading flat, up 2% today. VAX is 26. What's the record? The world is finding Martyn Lucas. The world is finding. I really feel like a tomato pie. I feel like a tomato pie. NRXP. I feel like a tomato pie with all the mentioning and discussions of tomatoes. Right. NRXP is starting to fall. I'm down 4%. Sorry, I'm down $4. Oh dear, oh dear. We'll see what happens with NRXP. I can't believe it. Fantastic. Yeah, I've never seen anything like it. My channel has never had such explosive growth. So we're very, very excited. And there we go. Let's get our main portfolio on the screen. Let's see if the subscribers went up. 951. Right? Let's refresh the screen. 952. There we go. We gained another subscriber. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely great. Right, I'm going to get a beer because I can't celebrate without a beer. All right? I feel I need to celebrate with the beer, so let's do that. Okay. Yeah, feel the love. Fried green tomatoes. We're in the green. Bill is celebrating. Bill is definitely celebrating because he bought in today and he's up already, and very, 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 very exciting news for him. Martyn now 26. I know it's ridiculous. Stuff like that really helps the channel grow. Right, I'm going to grab a beer. Don't go away. Stay right there. I'm going to grab a beer. And who else is in NRXP? I know Dras is in. And I've dropped a bit now. I'm down 1%. But I'm in now. I'm gonna be in there for a bit and just see what happens. Let me go and grab a beer. All right. Cheers, everybody. Got a Corona. There we go. We'll have a little beer with 26 likes. I was late with the veggies. All right. Cheers, everybody. I've got to go steady on that. We've still got serious business to do here. All right, this is absolutely wonderful. Thank you ever so much, everybody that's supporting my channel today. Where's the lime? I didn't have a chance to get it because I'm busy here trying to do a YouTube show and be professional. And I'm running out grabbing... yeah, cheers. All right, everyone raise your glasses. Has everyone got a drink? I'll tell you what, on the Martyn Lucas show, straight after this, in half an hour from now, I'm going to do some Queen today. And we're gonna raise our glasses and we're gonna have a beer together. If anyone's interested in joining me, half an hour from now on the Martyn Lucas channel, we're gonna do some Queen and we'll have a beer together, okay? All right. Up 1%. So the winner today is Dras. Everyone congratulate Dras. He must be the winner because NRXP is his only stock and it's up 7% today. So congratulations to you. There we go. Galileo Figaro. Absolutely right. I haven't done Bohemian Rhapsody for a while, so I'll do it today, and I'll drop some lime into that as well. Congratulations, Dras. Well done indeed. You've done very, very well. Bohemian Rhapsody, yep. I'll do Bohemian Rhapsody today in the show. Absolutely wonderful. Really, really great. Okay, let's have a final check then. So I'm going to get ready for the show in a few minutes' time. Up 1%. Amazon is up on the after hours. Johnson & Johnson trading flat. Tesla is slightly up on the after hours. Facebook trading sideways down. Apple down, trading sideways. Coke trading sideways. Vanguard is just picked up a little bit. Google trading sideways. Microsoft trading sideways down. Virgin Galactic is increasing. We must be approaching within the next week or so our next test flight, and when that happens, we'll be going into the 40s. So there we go. Good, very, very good day. In after hours, we're up nearly 1%. So this is very, very good. Nearly 10% today. Bill is very, very happy. He must be up like 16, 17 bucks. That's great. Ford, check out the drug pipeline and the board of directors for NRXP. Yosemite is a game changer in treating severe COVID patients in the ICU. All right, I will check that out. Thank you. Let's put it on the screen so everyone else can see it. Check out the drug pipeline and the board of directors for NRXP. Yosemite is a game changer in treating severe COVID patients in the ICU. All right, I'm not going to sell out my shares. I'm going to stick with it. I'm in it. Thank you for that information. Rolls-Royce trading sideways. Robinhood slightly up on the after hours. It's good. Riskified trading sideways. Lucid Group sideways. Oxygen is still moving up. These pharmaceuticals are moving up. NRXP is going sideways. That's okay. I'm down just 1%, or not quite 1%. Advaxis is also moving up. Carnival is trading flat now. And Bitcoin is trading sideways at 47,190 or thereabouts. All right, we've got a chance for a tiny bit more news. Let's have a quick look on this one. Will the US crack down on Apple and Google following in South Korea's footsteps? Shall we have a quick listen to this before we end the show?
To break down the impact, editor-in-chief of The Verge and CNBC contributor Nilay Patel. Nilay, good to see you. Put this in context for us. We are always talking about antitrust, penalties, rulings. However, it never seems to be in focus for investors, at least, as we continue to see big tech, Apple included, hit all-time highs.
Yeah, I think the quote that I keep thinking about here is the famous Jeff Bezos line, "Your margin is my opportunity." This margin for Apple and Google is huge. It's been driving both these companies for years and years now. And that margin is going to start getting redistributed back to app companies and app vendors who are going to be able to take some of that 30% that they've been paying to Apple, put it back into their own products, potentially back to their investors. I think that's a huge deal. I think this South Korean regulation is just the first we're going to see worldwide, and I think a lot of countries are going to see how it plays out before taking similar action.
And what about here in the U.S., Nilay? How closely are they watching? And I know that there is something similar being considered over here. So you think that this is sort of just the first step? We're going to see a domino effect from here on out.
Want to say hello to K Expensive over there on TikTok. Tap the screen. Let me know you're here. Thank you, Bill, for your tea, your little tip. Appreciate it very much indeed. But if you want to join us over on YouTube, we're about to finish. We trade every morning and every evening, opening and closing bell on YouTube. And the link is right here in my profile to YouTube. That's where our trading screens are.
Oh, I think this 30% rate for both these companies is dead in the water around the world. I think here in the U.S., it depends on how a lot of things go. There's a lot of dominoes. I don't know what order they're going to be in. There's the epic trial against Apple, which is going to come to a verdict soon. That will obviously get appealed in either direction. There's also the case against Google from Epic, which the complaint was unsealed.
Hey, we've got a new member here, Jake. Jake, what the hell happened to Apple in the last 10 minutes? It dropped 50 cents in under 10 seconds. Jake, good afternoon, Jack. Jake, welcome. How did you hear about our channel? Did you come across some TikTok? And if it's your very first time, please consider subscribing. We're just going into our 5th week, a brand new channel, and we've got a wonderful team here who'll all support everybody. Give us a thumbs up. We broke records today. We had 20 was a record today, and we got 26 likes. Jake, give us a thumbs up, mate, and tell us where you're from and what you're investing in. This is our portfolio here on the screen. Let's have a quick look on Apple, because you just announced that Apple has just dropped. Let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look. Subbed and gave you a thumbs up. Thank you very much indeed, Jake. From London, Northwest. I'm from Cornwall, in the UK, but my studio is here in the United States. This is where we are, trading live every morning, every evening. Our real money, our real trades for the opening and closing bell. Thank you ever so much, Jake, for joining us. Wonderful to have you here. From London, everyone welcome Jake, a new member to our party. We've got a great crowd here. We've got Alicia and Patricia from Italy. We've got members from Canada. We've got Dubai here today. We've got America, Canada, all over the place right now. Damn, very fancy. Bloody hell. If you say bloody hell in America, they love it. Good evening, Jake. Welcome. Never seen a studio like that. There you go. If I put some haze out for you, you'll get to see it in its best in a couple of seconds. The reason it looks like that is when I finish the show here, on my other channel, the Martyn Lucas channel, I'll show you what that is. This is the Day Trader right now. Just scroll down here. You see Martyn Lucas here? You click on that, and I do an after-hours party. I was voted by Sir Elton John as the World Piano Man. And here in the upcoming live streams, this will be what I'm doing live in just 23 minutes from now from my studio here where I am right now, as you can see, where I am right now. So if you like music, I'll do a request for you. And maybe get all your friends round, I'll do a little song for you. If you're from London, do you want some Chaz and Dave? I can do some Chaz and Dave for you. Or maybe you're a musical man, or a rock man, or a ballad man, or whatever. But I'll do a song for you live in just 20 minutes, which is why we have to end the show now. I'm a little bit excited, guys. Got 27 likes. I've never had 27 likes. 20 was the record. Who's panning that camera? Nobody. All the cameras are automatic. See, another camera moving here behind. Look, there's another one there. Look. If you watch the studio, all the cameras move. I've got foot switches underneath the piano that I control. All right. I'll move the lights a little bit, and you can see them all moving in a couple of seconds when the haze comes in. There you go. This is my studio right now. So I'll show you in a sec when the haze comes out. I'll join you for the music. Sure. Piano. Yes. Yes. 27. Waiting soon for 30. We're at 50,311. Bitcoin has dropped slightly. I'm getting so excited, but I've got to go because my show starts in a minute. But I just wanted to show Jake. What's your favourite music, Jake? I do 14 different voices in 7 different languages and 650 songs. If you'd like to pick a song, I'm going to give you my link to my song list right now in the live chat. And you can pick a song. And then when you come into the show, you can request a song and I'll play it for you. Especially for Jake from London. I'm a pop guy. There we go. There is the list of songs I can do. If it's not on that list of 650, guess what? I don't know it. Capital FM for the win. I love it. Queen tonight. Yes. Queen tonight. We're doing some Queen. Right. Shall I show Jake the studio? Here we go, Jake. Here's my studio. That's where I'll be in a minute. This is me. This is me talking to you from the back. Right? Brilliant. Yeah, it's a crazy world. Crazy world we live in. Right, I've got to get ready. 27 likes. 27 likes, everybody. Let's celebrate. Yeah. All right, checking the song list now. All right, guys, we've got to go. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for being here today. It's been an amazing day. Congratulations to Dras. He wins again today. He's up 6-7%. Tomatoes are flying in everywhere. Yes, we've had a tomato kind of day, but you know what? It doesn't matter. We're up financially. I've grown my portfolio by 1%. Clust is here as well. Chill will catch shell. What the heck? Oh, I see. I was reading it out on my screen. It reads it out. But anyway, that's brilliant. All right, we got to go, guys. Today we did 27. Did we get any more subscribers? Did Jake subscribe to the channel? Did Jake subscribe to 953? Did he subscribe to the channel and ring the bell? I don't know. Awesome show, Martyn. Thank you much indeed. See you back in 20 minutes on the Martyn Lucas Music Show. And then, of course, we're back here in the morning for the Day Trader opening bell. Let's see if we can continue to grow and build our portfolios live here. Jake, perhaps tomorrow you could share with us your trade, your portfolio, what you're investing in. We take top tips off each other. We're all growing together and we're all learning together. And once we get 1 million subscribers to the channel, we can influence the stock market. If we all buy one thing, we'll all make money, right? The whole thing will be, we can control our own destiny here on the Day Trader. All right, God bless America. God save the Queen. See you back. 39,000 leveraged 5 times, 1,700 shares, all in Apple. Oh my God. Apple is, that's my Apple position. My Apple position is 3% of my portfolio. Let me share that with you. 3% of my portfolio. I've got 10 shares at the moment. I'm up 3.5%. That's my position right there. Not as much as you though, mate. You're all in. You're big time. All right. I'll see you all back in a bit. God bless America. God save the Queen. Take care of yourselves and each other.